This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, Combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. How you doing, guys? Steve Lav here. It is November 17, 2018. Gonna do a quick little vlog. I got little Miss Marley here. This is like her little spot where she likes to hang out all the time. What do I got going on? Today I went around and got ready for the snow, picked up around the yard, removed secondary fencing and stuff that was around the chicken coops, and I got to get ready for snow because it's getting cold out now, and it's just a matter of time till the snow hits, you know. And you guys know I got the Trackless running and stuff, and I also got a John Deere 318. That I put a cab on, and it's got a snowblower, so I will get some footage with moving the snow with them devices this year. It should be kind of interesting. Oh, Miss Marley here, she's my little buddy here. Miss Marley, gonna say hi to the people? Huh? You gonna say hi to the people? She's the cutest dog ever. She's 5 months old now, so she's a little long-haired Chihuahua. I got a lot of questions about her. She's a long-haired Chihuahua, and I take her to work with me. She's very fragile. I mean, that's how Chihuahuas are, but she's definitely a good dog. I'm glad I got her. All she wants to do is just hang out with me. Most of the time she'll come up and she wants to like fall asleep on my arms like this if I'm on a computer, which is kind of cool. I mean, she's a good little dog, good little soul. And her name's Miss Marley. What else is going on? Value Testers sent me a Bacharach Insight Plus as a demo to try out compared to my Testo. Value Testers is a big tool company, and they sponsor the channel. Great company, great people to work with. If you guys need any tools, go check out valuetesters.com. All the links are in my description to all my videos. And I tried it out the other day for the first time, and I like it. I mean, I like my Testo, but this Bacharach is probably just as good as the Testo. What I like about the Bacharach is it's got AA batteries, which, you know, if you're the Testo, you got to plug in to charge it, which is not that big of a deal. I mean, you could charge it up, and it's good for, you know, a couple of weeks with the charge, and it tells you when it's starting to get low. I do like the Testo 320, but this Bacharach might be as good or better as far as I can see so far. So we'll have to see. I like the way it prints out. I like the clarity of the way it prints, and it come with a little printer. The one I got was a better of the units, but like I said, they got a pretty good sale going on there at Value Testers for all the combustion analysis. They give you a pretty good rebate, and they got some good deals going on there. So if you're in if you're looking for combustion analysis or any kind of tools, go check out valuetesters.com. And like I said, the description's in the link below. Like I said, Trackless sent me some hats, sent me this hat and also a beanie hat. That's another great company. I mean, it's heavy-duty snowblower. They got lawnmowers for them, flail mowers. I had a bunch of questions on getting that Trackless running because I probably shouldn't have bought that unit because it was kind of really rough. But the guy I got it from was a good friend of mine, and he kind of sweet talked me and he kind of gave me the old buddy, you know, deal on it. But I got it running. I mean, we'll be all right with it. It's a little crusty, but it works fine. But anyway, the Trackless is a great company. I mean, I had a bunch of questions, and I called up them guys, and they helped me out. There was one guy, an older guy probably, and he's hanging around. He hangs around and talks to people in need about these Tracklesses, and he helped me out a bunch of stuff that I needed direction on. He helped me out.
My phone number is 508. Got a problem with a space heater. Pilot light will not stay lit. If you could get back to me, I want you to arrange an appointment to maybe go up and check it out. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.
But anyway, the Trackless companies have been a good company to deal with. Helped me out at a bunch of different things. And yeah, Mrs. Marley, see how she is? See all she wants to do is just lick, play, and hang out with me. That's how she is. You're quite the character, Miss Marley. You're quite the character. But anyway, I didn't have any working videos for today. So I figured I'd do a little vlog. I haven't done one in a while, and there'll be more videos to come as I get to work. I'm out there working. I try to record what I can and cut it up, do videos of it, and hopefully get some snow blowing videos this year with the Trackless and the John Deere 318. It should be good. I mean, the thing, especially the Trackless, that thing's gonna move some snow, and kind of looking forward to getting it going. I had to order an idler pulley for the fan belt, an idler pulley, the one that holds the tension on the fan belt. That thing let go. It started to bind up, and I ordered one off eBay. It should be coming in Monday or Tuesday, and I'll put that on. But no, I've been driving the Trackless around the yard and getting ready for the snow. And yeah, see how Miss Marley is? I mean, she'll sleep on me like this. If I'm working on my computer, she'll come over and jump up on. She'll want me to pick her up, and she'll just fall asleep on me. So when she grows up, she's gonna be a long-haired Chihuahua. I mean, she's gonna fill out. She's gonna be like she's gonna look like Chewbacca. She's gonna be all hairy. But no, she's definitely a good little dog. She's I think I'm gonna get her fixed. I made an appointment with the doctor next month in the beginning of December to have her spaded. Because I don't really want to have any puppies. I mean, I take her to work with me, and I'm kind of a one-person dog. And, I don't know, but she's so beautiful. I might want to have puppies from her. I don't know. We'll see. She's very soft. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick little vlog, have something to load today, and more videos to come, guys. Alright, thanks for watching.